You're gonna love the 2020 Dodge Ram 3500. Get the truck that maximizes power and strength. The Ram 3500 is designed to handle the biggest jobs with ease while keeping you comfortable and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Smooth and refined meets rock-solid strength in the Ram 3500. Get behind the wheel and get to work.